Alright guys, so you have seen Spigen screen protectors on my channel before for the iPhones, and this time we are going to do one for the brand new iPad Pro 13-inch. Now, this is their Papertouch EZ Fit. So that means it's a tempered glass screen protector, but it has a paper-like feel so you can write on it and it should be good to go. And we're going to test that out. But first, we do need to apply it to the iPad. So taking a look, it does say Papertouch EZ Fit down here, easy install with tray, and texture Papertouch glass. Now, I'm not exactly sure how I'm going to feel about this one just because I think it's a matte type screen protector, and I'm usually not a huge fan of those, but I'm going to this with an open mind, and I really can't wait to see what it's like on the iPad. Now, taking a look, you do get the installation tray picture right here with the glass and the iPad, and on the back, it basically says paper texture, easy install, real glass, precise cutout, and Spigen case friendly. Now, you do get a little bit of information here, and you can watch the installation video. So, let's go ahead and open it up. Now, this is a huge box, so it may be off frame a little bit sometimes, so just bear with me. But let's go ahead and take it out of here. Hang on now. Come on. Don't troll me. All right, so we get this massive installation tray here. You do get some instructions right there. Set that off to the side. Now let me just make sure that nothing got peeled off here. It looks to be good to go. All right, perfect. So that's pretty much it. So here's our installation tray. Basically looks the same exact way as the iPhone ones do, but just massive for the iPad. So we'll set that off here. And I know we get a little installation toolkit here. There we go. All right, so I'm gonna throw this box down over here and let's take a look at what we get with it. So opening this up. So we do get a squeegee, we get some cleaning wipes for the lenses, some more wipes here. I don't know if one is a wet wipe. No, they are all wet wipes. So you do get 4 wet wipes, which is really nice just in case you need more. You get your dust removal stickers, you get 2 of those. Now, I do wish that they were larger, especially how big this screen is on this iPad and how big the iPad is in general. I really wish we got something a little bit larger than these, but you get what you get. We get a microfiber cleaning cloth, and we get a little thing on how to remove bubbles. So let's hope we don't get any bubbles on the installation. So let's go ahead and set all this fun stuff over here. I'm gonna put it all right out of frame, but it's gonna be right here in my reach. So let's take the screen protector, set that to the side, and grab our iPad Pro. So it is off. I did just turn it off before starting to record this. So let's go ahead and install the screen protector. So first we're gonna give it a little bit of a wipe down here. Just make sure all the stuff is off of it. I've been using this iPad for a little while now, so it's almost been a week actually. But just wanna make sure I get all of the fingerprints and any dust and all that fun stuff off of here before we go ahead with those tiny little dust removal stickers. Let's go ahead and set that over here. We'll grab our, where is it? We'll grab our microfiber cleaning cloth and let's give this a little bit of a wipe down, get all the wetness off of it. Whoa. Yeah, keep it about iPads, guys. Keep it about iPads. So we'll go ahead and wipe that down real good. All right. So now I'm really hoping, I am trying to do this kind of from behind the camera, so I'm really hoping we don't get any air bubbles on this one. But let's go ahead and grab our dust removal stickers. Now I'm just gonna go right for the largest one. And I usually like to go all the way over the iPad. You never know if there's one that you can't see, so I just try to at least hit everywhere that I can with it. All right, so now that we have done that, let's go ahead and grab our screen protector. We'll remove the film from the back right here. Try to do it quickly but carefully so you don't get any dust anywhere. Flip it upside down, charging port side towards the bottom, and let's go. Apply that on here and give it a little bit of a slide. Ooh, that didn't sound good. Sorry about that, guys. But part of the process, you gotta do what you gotta do. So we'll go ahead and I like to keep sliding. It says slide, wait 30 seconds and remove from here. I usually like to give it a few slides up and down just to make sure that it's really sticking. It's spreading that stickiness all the way around. It's touching every corner and every inch of the screen. So, all right, now let's wait those 30 seconds. We'll come right back and take a look at it. All right, so it has been 30 seconds And let's go ahead and peel it off. Now you do remove it from down here. So, and I like to just kind of guide my finger right behind it just in case so it doesn't really pull anything off. Just kind of try to guide it right back there. Do it slowly and carefully. And let's see how it ends up turning out. So, all right. Now the sticker is off. Go ahead and put that off to the side and let's see. So just pop this right off. Now I know you guys see a whole bunch of air bubbles right now. There still is a film there. But what I do like to do is I like to sit here and grab the squeegee, and still on this top layered sticker, I just try to get those bubbles out just in case, because you never really know exactly what's going to happen once you take this off. So go ahead and just guide these out. All right, so we are back. Now, I did end up removing this from behind the camera just to take a look because I was having a little bit of difficulty telling whether the air bubbles were in this or in the screen. Here is what we are looking like. Now, all you guys didn't see off of camera is I literally just peeled that up, and I had a slight little air bubble right here, but literally I took the microfiber cleaning cloth, put my finger on it just like this, and it was gone. So, all in all, we have a very nice clean installation. And let's go ahead and power on our iPad. Now, if you guys can see right there, it does have a little cutout for your Face ID and your cameras, but let me go ahead and turn the iPad on here. So let's go ahead and unlock it. Now, right away, I do notice a slight decrease in quality of the screen because this is a matte screen protector, but it is glass. And also the main thing that we're looking for with a screen protector like this is for it to feel like paper. So let me go ahead and open up a note here, and we will try to draw on here really quickly. So grab our pencil and let's start. Oh, wow. That's much better, actually. Hang on. Let me go ahead and grab that. Open that up. Now, one other thing is this definitely adds a little bit of a glare to it. So in my opinion, like sitting back here from the way I am with the camera, it is a little bit more difficult to see the tools and everything like that, but I will make it work. So let's try. It definitely feels, now don't judge me for my handwriting now. I know it's terrible. Don't pay attention to that. But everything seems to be nice. It definitely feels a good bit better writing on this screen protector as opposed to the naked iPad itself. So we can sit here, erase all this stuff. There we go. And let's add a little bit more. So go here. All right. So literally now it's converting it to text, whatever. But writing on this, you can definitely feel it. It doesn't feel exactly like a piece of paper, but it definitely feels a lot better than just writing on the glass of the iPad. You can definitely feel some texture, and it almost even sounds like you're using a pencil on paper. Here, listen. But either way, guys, this is the Spigen EZ Fit Papertouch Screen Protector. Now, do I recommend it? And for someone who uses their Apple Pencil to write or draw a lot, yes, definitely. But if you're someone who consumes a ton of media on your iPad, you can definitely tell a little bit of a display quality issue with this screen protector. It just makes it a little bit less clear, but not the biggest deal in the world. I'm positive I'll get used to it. You won't even notice it too much. But let's talk about the price on this one. Now, the price is $25.99. Terrible handwriting. But $25.99 on this screen protector, which links to it will be down in the description below. Pick one up if you're interested in it. It definitely feels a lot more like paper than it does writing on glass, and I can recommend it if that's what you need. Let me know what you guys think about this one down in the comments below. Make sure you like and subscribe, and if you're interested in seeing my full iPad unboxing video, I'll leave that right there.